Hello Aqua friends. Today I have a very simple winter scene and it's my favorite color. So I am only using a few blues for this project and really whatever I had in my palette. I know one was marine blue and some other turquoise colors that I just kind of mixed in there. So I'm just laying down wet on wet for my background and making some swirl marks with my brush, just to sort of imitate the bokeh circles that will be going on top of that. For the snow, I decided to use a cool blue instead of a warm blue. Everything is wet and it's dispersing very nicely and the lines are nice and soft. So as the paper's drying, I'm testing with my daubers to see if it makes much of a difference. When it's too wet, your circles will disappear quickly, and so I just wait a few more minutes and try it again. And as you see, they are showing up a lot more. So in this first layer, I'm just getting all the bokeh dots while the paper is still wet. So now I am making some far off branches that I want to be on the fuzzy side while the background is still wet. So I'm drawing in some of those distant branches. Now with a very diluted mixture of the background colors, I am going over those branches. I'm using a number 4 round. And this is going to be the snow that's sitting on top of the branches. After letting that completely dry, I'm re-wetting the background with some clean water. And I just want to make it a little darker on that right-hand side with some more of the marine blue. And I've also mixed in some viridian hue with the marine blue. Doing the same sort of circular strokes that I was doing before. And repeating the process with the sponge daubers. When the background is dry enough, I am taking the same marine blue mixed with neutral tints to do the branches on the left-hand side. Very simple, just wet on dry watercolor technique, and you're just using the very fine tip of your brush to draw in these branches. So when I'm drawing the branches in, I'm drawing underneath the heavier line that I made on the branches already, so that the snow is on the top of the branch. So I just keep filling in with more tinier branches until I like the look of it. So I decided to use the opaque white and add some white circles for more snow effects and bokeh effects. I'm really missing the snow here in Pittsburgh. All we've had so far this year is rain, unfortunately. No snow, not even a dusting yet. Hence why I'm bringing you this snow scene today. So along with those harsh circles, I'm going to soften the snow by adding just some organic splatters, some more tinier dots, and just kind of going crazy and splatter it as much as you'd like. Yes, I am from Canada and I miss the snow. So that is it. I told you it was very simple, but isn't it sweet? It is very cute and it just gets you in the snow spirit. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you next week.